Alright, I got another video for you guys showing you guys how to change out the factory ballast for an Acura TL. This works on all cars because they're all set up the same way. I've done Infinities, I've done Escalades, Lexuses, and it's all the same. All of them bolt the ballast, the factory ballast, to the headlight, and basically it's only a couple screws that are holding it in. I'm going to show you guys how to replace it for you guys that the factory ballast goes out. So you guys, the headlights stop working, the projector stops working, so you need to replace the factory ballast. What I would recommend is replace the factory ballast and the igniter at the same time instead of just replacing one. So you don't have no problem. So you just take out one screw here, one on the left, one on the right, and one on the bottom. So you just unscrew these 3 screws, the screw plate, and then the ballast pulls down like this, right? If yours doesn't pull down like this and it doesn't come fully out because the wire will be entwined inside around it, you just lift up this rubber boot right here and there'll be a white plug inside, and you just push the tab right here and pull out for the factory ballast. So right now this is the factory OEM ballast that I'm putting to the side, and right now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the cover off for the back of the headlight. Alright, it just pops off. Then this is the igniter. Just turn it and pull off. This is the ground for the igniter. That just pulls right off, and then you shimmy it through here, through the headlight, and it comes out. That's it. Yours will be, this will be tied around this little groove right here. It'll be like this around here. So you just lift it up and pull it out. Right here. So this is it. This is the factory igniter and the ballast. So now I'm going to show you do the same thing in reverse to put everything back. Okay. So right now what I'm going to do is slide this back through the headlight. Watch out for the wires and the headlight. Okay. So now this is through the bottom. You take the new igniter, put it on the bulb, push it in, lock it in place. Then you take the ground and you put it back on the tab on top to ground off the igniter. Then the ballast. Just plug the ballast back in, snaps in, and then make sure the rubber grommet sits around it to stop any water from getting into the headlight. This is the gasket also that sits up to here to make sure no water gets in. So you bolt this back on. One screw here, one screw here, one screw here. Tighten these screws down. I'm not going to tie it down fully because I'm not done with this headlight. So right now everything is in. All you got to do, cap back on, turn it, lock it in place, and you're done. You change your headlight OEM ballast. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.